Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Yahoo application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify whenever we post a new video. So, in order to download Yahoo on your Android device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Yahoo and make a search. You're going to see the application displayed on the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Yahoo application on your Android phone. Log into your Yahoo application with the help of Yahoo account or Google account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.